Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install TubeBuddy on your Chrome browser. If you are having a YouTube channel and struggling to get views, you can improve your productivity and do an optimization to get more traffic and views to your YouTube channel using this smart plugin called TubeBuddy. And let's see how to install this TubeBuddy to maximize your productivity. All you need to do is just go to this link. I have given a link in the YouTube description which will take you directly to this Chrome web store. And once you are in the Chrome web store, you can find an option add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome and it will ask a pop-up. Just click on add extension. So at the bottom you can see it start downloading the Chrome plugin on your Chrome browser. It will take a few seconds to complete. Just wait until the download gets completed. As soon as your download gets completed, you'll get a pop-up like this. TubeBuddy has been added to Chrome. So just click on it. And if you're not able to see this icon, click on the Chrome extension icon, scroll down and make sure that you pin this to the Chrome bar so that you can see this TubeBuddy icon. Now you can navigate to YouTube. So here you can find an option TubeBuddy sign in required. Just click on this and you will get a pop-up. You have to select this two checkboxes and click on sign in with YouTube. So now it will ask you to select your YouTube channel. If you have a multiple YouTube channel, then if you want to install this TubeBuddy only on particular YouTube channel, then you need to select the respective YouTube channel here. So I want to install TubeBuddy on this channel, so I'm selecting this, but you can install TubeBuddy on many channels as well. So now you have to give access to the TubeBuddy. Click on allow. So that's it. We have successfully signed into YouTube, and that's all about the installation of TubeBuddy. Now you have access to all the TubeBuddy features that you are seeing here, and in the upcoming videos we will explore more about the TubeBuddy feature. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.